As a health coach, your focus is on helping clients achieve their wellness goals. But managing leads, scheduling sessions, and following up with clients can take up valuable time that you could be spending supporting your clients. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel, GHL, automation workflow template tailored specifically for health coaches. This solution streamlines your lead management, automates communication, and simplifies scheduling, so you can focus on transforming lives. Here's how it works. 1. Lead capture. 2. The system automatically collects leads from your website, social media, and ads, organizing them in the GHL CRM so you can manage inquiries effortlessly. 3. Automated follow-ups. 4. When a potential client expresses interest, the system sends personalized follow-ups via SMS or email, encouraging them to book an initial consultation or coaching session. 5. Online session scheduling. 6. Clients can easily book coaching sessions online using an integrated calendar, saving time and making the process hassle-free for both you and your clients. 7. Session reminders. 8. Automated reminders ensure clients never miss their scheduled sessions, helping you maintain a consistent schedule and reduce no-shows. 9. Post-session follow-ups. 10. After each session, the system follows up to thank clients, gather feedback, and encourage them to book additional sessions or purchase wellness packages. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, enhance client relationships, and grow your coaching practice. With lead capture, follow-ups, booking, reminders, and post-session engagement all handled automatically, you can focus on what you do best, helping your clients achieve their health and wellness goals. Ready to transform your health coaching business? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start automating your success today. Don't wait. Streamline your coaching practice now.